Ways to read a person through his eyes. People say that the eyes are a window to the soul, that they can tell us much about a person just by gazing into them. Know how? Eyes looking up. When a person looks upwards, they are often thinking. In particular, they are probably making pictures in their head and thus may well be an indicator of a visual thinker. Looking upwards and to the left can indicate recalling a memory. Looking upwards and the right can indicate imaginative construction of a picture. Eye looking up but head down. Head lowered and eyes looking back up at the other person are a coy and suggestive action, as it combines the head down of submission with eye contact of attraction. It can also be judgmental, especially when combined with a frown. Eyes looking down. Looking at a person can be an act of power and domination. Looking down involves not looking at the other person, which hence may be a sign of submission. It can also indicate that the person is feeling guilty. In many cultures, where eye contact is a rude or dominant signal, people will look down when talking with others in order to show respect. Eyes down, looking left. Looking down and to the left can indicate that they are talking to themselves. Looking down and to the right can indicate that they are attending to internal emotions. Looking sideways. Much of our field of vision is in the horizontal plane. So, when a person looks sideways, they are either looking away from what is in front of them or looking towards something that has taken their interest. Lateral movement. Eyes moving from side to side can indicate shiftiness and lying, as if the person is looking for an escape route in case they are found out. Lateral movement can also happen when the person is being conspiratorial, as if they are checking that nobody else is listening. Gazing. Looking at something shows an interest in it. When you look at something, then others who look at your eyes will feel compelled to follow your gaze to see what you are looking at. This is a remarkable skill, as we are able to follow a gaze very accurately. If after locking gaze, a person of the opposite sex keeps looking at the eyes, then it may be love. If the eyes slide down over the body, then it is more likely to be lust. Recognize a liar. People who are lying may look away more often, as they feel guilty when looking at others. However, when they know this, they may overcompensate by looking at you for longer than usual. This also helps them watch your body language for signs of detection. Uneven eye contact distribution. If a person likes you, then he will look at you more often. In other words, if you were in a group, then the person who likes you will give you the lion's share of eye contact while looking less at the other people around. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.